What's up, guys? It is 11:18 a.m. It is Monday, January 13th. It's going to be a quick crypto and Bitcoin and altcoins market update. This is like my third time recording this, so hopefully the audio goes through. Praying to God here, but let's see. So we got what we expected last night in the Discord. I sent out a VIP members market update video, urgent, outlining basically what happened this morning with that dip down, little fake breakdown for Bitcoin, toying with us below 90K, touching 88.5K, I believe it was, or 89K, with a solid bounce up so far, but we're not out of the woods yet. So definitely a time to tap in. Make sure you're paying attention in the Discord and the VIP channels, because my finger is on the keyboard like the trigger, like ready to pull it at any moment. So you wouldn't believe it. So definitely make sure you're keeping up to date. You got your notifications on. If I make the call, it's a go. So definitely get in there. But let's cover some key things right now, because we do have a lot of macro data this week. If I pull up Bitcoin right now, let's see what's kind of on the agenda as far as macro data. We got housing starts, building permits, retail sales, core inflation rate year over year, month over month, core inflation rate month over month, PPI as well too. A lot of macro events lining up with Bitcoin at macro key levels, as well as the others, altcoin market cap, as well as a lot of the individual coins as well too. It's definitely the time to tap in and make sure you're not missing this next critical move, because this could decide how the rest of this month into February plays out. You don't want to miss it. Also, we have on Monday the inauguration as well too. So a lot of key things happening. If we look at Bitcoin real quick, let's throw up some of these indicators. We got very close to tapping the purple MA on the snakes. And on top of that, we have the 12-hour 200 MAs there as well too. So that's going to be a key level. 86K to 88K is definitely, if we head lower, that's going to be the next stop. But that could have been it. That very well could have been it based off the video I put out in the Discord here, in the market update channel. So make sure you watch that if you haven't yet. But yeah, so that definitely could have very well been it. But what would give me more confidence as far as, all right, we're about to send it up here, is if Bitcoin can get above and stay above 96K. That's going to be the key level for the next big move to the upside. But until then, the clear direction is to the downside. But that definitely could have been it if we're doing anything reminiscent to January of last year. So that's what I'm watching as far as Bitcoin goes. We go to some lower time frames like the 3-hour chart. We need to see that momentum start to curl up. Looking at the others market cap, we're at a critical level. We came right down to it, and if I go to a higher time frame here, you can see we tap this key upward sloping trend line support, but as well as we have the horizontal support as well too. Let me hide some of the indicators here. Yep, so as you can see, we came down to like 303 billion, which was, looking to the left, a key level for price structure, but as well as the 786 from the low that we had set on that wickening to the high that we had set a couple weeks ago, early January, and we came down to that level. If we were to go any lower, because Bitcoin breaks or it comes down to 88K or 86K or even lower than that, I'm definitely seeing others taking out this wick and coming down to like 280 billion, which that's a haircut. It's a little bit of a haircut. So we're still not out of the woods yet. I'm gonna be up probably every day this week, tracking this in real time. Like I said, my finger's been on the keyboard, like the finger on the trigger, ready to pull it at any moment to make the call. I'm watching. So even if you think I'm asleep and I'm not watching, best believe that Bobby's watching. So if you have any questions, shoot them in the Discord. Let me know. But yeah, definitely not out of the woods yet. We got to see some key things happen still, but so far so good. We got saved this morning from that little pop-up. But not out of the woods yet. But that's others. That's what I'm watching. If we look at Bitcoin, I showed you what I'm watching and the levels to watch, and I'll be keeping the VIPs updated in the Discord. I'll probably shoot out a private market members update later tonight with my thoughts. And I'll probably do that every day this week until we get more clarity here. But yeah, definitely not out of the woods. Finger on the trigger. So pay attention to the Discord this week. This is the week to lock in, if any week. So I'll see you guys in there, and I'm going to try to make a newsletter today if the market allows me to. We'll see. So I'll see you in that video if I do it, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Link is in the bio for that.